Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in the settings we need to scroll and find security and privacy. Then scroll down again a little bit and find device unlock. And here tap on face and fingerprint unlock. Tap on fingerprint and tap on agree. If you've got any kind of screen lock like the pattern pin or password, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to add it. Because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the password. So I'll pick the pattern. Here we've got the important notice, so that's what I've just told you. Tap on next. Let me quickly set the pattern. Here we've got also the screen protection reminder. So basically it can affect the fingerprint sensor as it is under the screen. So just be aware about that. Tap on add now. And here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, and tap on done. That was quite easy. Face unlock, I don't want to use it, so just let me tap on cancel. And here we've got our fingerprint sensor, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it just by tapping on the three dots icon. We can add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so it's up to you again. Here we've got the quick launch. So you can touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear, and without lifting your finger you can choose the specific option. So for example, you can quickly open the camera or quickly open the dialer or something like that. So you can just manage it if you want to. Here the fingerprint animation, so basically here we've got default and custom. So you can choose something like that. Yeah. It's up to you. I mean, a lot of things to customize, so you can do it. I will just choose the default one, so just mark the option. And you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon on the screen when the screen is off. So now all we need to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So here we've got our sensor. Let me put my finger. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.